Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another Dollar Tree DIY. You already know that if you're subscribed and you watched my Dollar Tree haul. I literally just got done doing it, uploaded it, and then came back and sat down and am ready to craft. This one's a very simple craft. It's only, what, $4? Really less than that because I use this for so many things. I am going to be using the natural jute in the 3 per package jute twine from the Dollar Tree. Also, the white pebbles that were in my haul from the Dollar Tree. This cute little guy. And then one of these little succulents. So let's go ahead, get started. You're not even going to believe how quick and easy this is going to be. So let me just move that a little bit here. It's kind of twisted, but you can see everything, so I'm good with it. First things first is we're going to take this guy. We're going to cut lots of this jute twine. A lot. And then we're going to take it and we're just going to put it right in half. There we go. And then we're going to take both ends and we're going to twist it because I want this to be a really strong jute there. Woo. That'll probably happen a lot. But I want to get that around on at least the top, if nothing else. So that we can go like this. And then the other part, I don't really matter. I just want this part to be doubled over. So I'm going to take my hot glue gun. And we're going to put that hot glue right around the rim here. Knowing where my center is, I'm going to start wrapping it right there. And I'm going to take this and know exactly where I want it to be. I'm going to twist this up a little bit more. There we go. So right about there. Because I definitely know I want it to be hanging. And then I'm going to hot glue along this edge, opposite of where I started the other side. So there we go. Making sure that's opposite. And then I'm gonna tuck these guys in, and now we're just gonna wrap the jute all the way around with some hot glue. I know it looks like it's a big mess, but it's not. We're doing okay. And it's okay to have enough of that hot glue on there. And then they're going to start coming together here. We're going to wrap it all the way around the side. where it comes over, we're just going to go right over that, and that is going to help again hold that jute in place. Now all of this part is going to be glued down, and we'll add some more later that it's not going to actually matter too much if it's glued down or not. The other part will just kind of be for looks there. Oh, scared myself. Okay. Now I'm just going to hold this guy here, and we're going to put a little bit of jute on there. Get that nice and going. There we go. And I had that hot glue. There's still some hot glue there, and we're just wrapping it and wrapping it around. We're going to give it a good little foundation of jute there. And this part, this is all just for show. So this isn't to hold anything. The first ones were to hold, and now this is just to look nice. And then I will put a little bit more just to keep stuff in place as it starts to dry. And I think that's going to be enough there. We're just going to take that part off and tuck that in. And then we've got our little hanging there, super cute. Get rid of all your little spider webs. And then you're going to push that part down. We're going to take this little guy here, we're going to pull him out. And I'm going to just take my scissors and cut, but not all the way. I'm going to leave that a little tiny lip there. So if you could see that lip right there. Then we're going to take this part and we're going to put some hot glue in here. There we go. And then we're going to take this part, we're going to stick it through the top. So that we have this little guy. There we go. So see that there? And then we're going to take these, and you can do as many as you want. These would look really cute just hanging like in your backyard or in your bedroom, house, whatever you'd like. We're just going to put a little bit of the white rocks down here. Measure it up to see where this goes. Hold on. I did not wait long enough for that to go in here, but I think we're good. we want this a little bit less. We don't want it to be sitting on the rocks. We want enough to show the rocks, but still be somewhat suspended in the air. So we're gonna let this one cool down. So I'm just gonna wait for just a moment and I'll be right back. Okay, we have waited. It is stuck on there nice and good now. And so what we're gonna do is you're gonna want to put some hot glue there. So I'm actually gonna stick this in, and you wanna hold it because the sides have to come up because your succulent's gonna be a little bit bigger. There you go. And then we're gonna set it off to the side. You can see that, right? We're gonna set that off to the side and we're gonna put some hot glue around. And then we're gonna hold it up and get this side as well. I'm gonna stick that in there. We're gonna hold that. Look at how cute this is. Get rid of any of those little wispies there. But see how cute that is in there? And then now, look at that. And it is so cute from down below looking at it. Let's give you a better picture there. And that's super cute. And then it's gonna be hanging there. Very cute, very adorable. So I will take a picture of it. I'll put it on a hook, take a picture, and let you see. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more DIYs, make sure you subscribe right here. Click that little button that's right here, that little bell, and we'll be able to see all the great DIYs. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!